Hi Nick, this is just a quick video response to the question that you sent in with regards your Grundig heat pump tumble dryer. It's not a condenser dryer, this is a heat pump tumble dryer. You've got model number GTN39250GCW. Now what I've done for you is I've managed to obtain you the full workshop manual on this heat pump tumble dryer, and also exploded diagrams of the machine with other videos to assist you. I will be doing shortly a full feature video on how heat pump tumble dryers work and common problems on them. But let's just go through your question. You're saying that you have the Grundig model number I've already said. Unit turns on, blows cold air. You have looked at the video for the Beco dryers not heating, but once you have the back off, there's no thermostat. The reason being is there is no heating unit on a heat pump tumble dryer. Heat pump tumble dryers work on a refrigeration process, and you may have a simple problem with the machine that could be causing the problem. And let me explain. The heat pump tumble dryer has a refrigeration condensing unit in the bottom, and this has an evaporator and a condenser. It is driven by a compressor that pumps liquid through the system to create heat and also condense the warm vapor that comes off the clothing. The air goes down through the filter system here, and in the very bottom you have a coil system. Now this is a different make, but as you can see in the bottom here, it is really clogged up with fluff. And the problem with these heat pump tumble dryers, and this is on all different makes of heat pump tumble dryer, unless you do maintenance on the machine, the actual evaporator and condenser will get filled up with fluff. And what actually happens is, because the fluff is restricting the airflow, you are unable to actually achieve warm temperatures in the actual clothing area inside the drum. And when the warm air goes down, it's unable to condense the moisture. And the problem being is, there's one of three faults that can occur. The most common fault is the actual tubing system, and the grill at the bottom fills up with fluff. And then the refrigeration process that actually makes these machines work stops working because of the restriction in airflow. And this is a very common problem on all heat pump tumble dryers. The other two problems that may be occurring is, one, the compressor is not working, and this still could be because of fluff buildup, because one of the sensors is detecting this and not letting the compressor start because it knows the airflow is so poor. Or you may have a fault with something with regards starting the compressor or the compressor itself. The other problem is, because it's a refrigeration process, sometimes the machines lose gas over a period of time, and this is quite common as well. You need to ascertain first whether the compressor's running. If it's not, you need to rectify that problem. If the compressor is running and the evaporator and condenser doesn't have much fluff in it, you need to work out whether it is actually getting hot or cold on the pipes inside the machine. And as I said, I am going to do a detailed video on this in the future, but for the moment you're going to have to go by the workshop manual that I'm putting on this page for you, and it is a very comprehensive workshop manual. Grundig is only a brand. Beco actually manufacture the tumble dryer for Grundig, and these manuals are very comprehensive, and it will show you step by step what to test in the machine. I hope this manages to get you either in the right direction to repair the machine, or at least pointing you in the direction of where you have a problem, and then you can decide whether you need to get an engineer out to fix it or have a go at it yourself. Good luck with your repair. I hope all this information helps you.